आवाज आ रहा है?
सर मुझे आ रहा है।
हेलो।
आ रहा है सर, बच्चे बोल रहे हैं।
So maxilla, today I am going to teach you maxilla. You can see this maxilla from the lateral view. This is the alveolar foramina present in the lateral side. This is the zygomatic process. This is the infratemporal surface. This is the infraorbital groove. You can see it here just above the zygomatic process. अरे मेरा आवाज आ रहा है? हेलो 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 हेलो
आ रहा है सर।
हेलो। अरे क्या हेलो हेलो कर रहा हूँ, आवाज आ रहा है कि नहीं?
आ रहा है सर, आ रहा है।
आ रहा है सर, आ रहा है। यस सर, गुड मॉर्निंग
Orbital
सर।
surface, infraorbital margin, lacrimal notch, lacrimal border. You can see the lacrimal border over here, just medial side of the orbital margin. You can see the lacrimal border. Frontal process. अरे आवाज आ रहा है? हेलो हेलो हेलो
सर आवाज
आ रहा है ना? हेलो so you can see the frontal process where you can see the lacrimal crest. This is the infraorbital margin. Just below it you can see the canine fossa. This is the nose, nasal aperture and nasal notch of the maxilla. This is the anterior nasal spine. These are the two jugular alveolar foramen, jug alveolar foramen, foramen or jug alveolaria, jug alveolarin, laria. These are the depressions for each alveolus. You can see the right lateral view of the maxilla. Here you can see the extended zygomatic process cut piece. This is the floor of the orbit. This articulate with the frontal bone. This is the frontal process. This is the infraorbital margin. This is the infraorbital foramen. This is canine fossa. This is jug alveolaris or alveolar process. So maxilla, there are two maxilla, one on each side of the midline between the orbit and the upper teeth. The two together form the upper jaw. दो मैक्सिला होता है मिडलाइन के दोनों बाजू में, जो कि ऑर्बिट और अपर टूथ को अकोमोडेट करता है, दोनों फॉर्म करता है अपर जॉ. दे आर इरेगुलर न्यूमैटिक बोन्स. उसको न्यूमैटिक बोन्स कहा जाता है, इरेगुलर. What is the meaning of pneumatic bones? Who will answer me? Hello? 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 Am I audible or not? Hello? अरे कुछ तो बोलो.
सर बोन में एयर साइनस होते हैं।
मेरा आवाज सुनाई पड़ रहा है क्या?
यस सर।
सर
हेलो? अरे कोई तो बोलो. हेलो?
यस सर
तो आंसर तो दो. Hello. What is pneumatic bone? Hello, what is pneumatic bone?
हाँ सर, सुनाई दे रहा है सर।
What is pneumatic bone?
Sir, bone filled with air sinus.
क्या बोला?
सर एयर साइनस होते हैं बोन में।
हेलो.
हेलो
अरे थोड़ा एक बार रिपीट करो.
सर, एयर साइनस होते हैं बोन में।
तो इतना बस और कुछ नहीं.
एयर साइनस, एयर साइनस।
What to do? मेरा कोई गलती नहीं है. अभी सुनाई पड़ रहा है? हेलो. हेलो. अभी सुनाई पड़ रहा है? हेलो. So longest frontal process directed upward, medial surface with large opening, maxillary hiatus faces medially. You can see the maxillary hiatus. I am going to show you. This is the maxillary hiatus. You can see it here. The opening towards the maxillary sinus medially is called maxillary hiatus. Concave nasal notch below the frontal process faces medially. You can see the nasal notch. You see the nasal notch over here. Faces medially. This is the nasal notch of the maxilla. The anterior surface directed forward, incisive fossa. You can see incisive fossa here. Two incisive fossa origin to the depressor septi. Canine fossa. This is the canine fossa. Origin to levator anguli oris. Infraorbital foramen. You can see the infraorbital foramen over here, which transmit infraorbital vessels and nerves. Nasal notch. This point is called nasal notch. Anterior nasal spine, levator labis superioris arises between infraorbital margin and the infraorbital foramen. Here levator labis superioris arises, this point. Parts of the maxilla. Maxilla is the second largest bone of the face. It consists of a body and four processes. You can see the body. This is the whole body and four processes. They are frontal process, zygomatic process, alveolar process, and inside you can see the palatine process. Here you can see the palatine process, frontal process, zygomatic process, alveolar process, and palatine process here. You can see the palatine process here. दिख रहा है? हेलो हेलो हेलो. You can see the frontal process, you can see the zygomatic process, you can see the palatine process, you can see the alveolar processes. दिख रहा है कि नहीं? And a big body of the maxillary bone. So the body of the maxilla is inside called the which allow the entry to the maxillary sinus is called maxillary hiatus, this point. Maxillary hiatus. So it is a pyramidal shaped body. The body presents four surfaces: nasal surface, medially orbital surface, superiorly infratemporal surface, posteriorly anteriorly facial surface. So the nasal surface, this is the medial nasal surface. Infratemporal surface posterior. is called the inferior concha. This is the frontal crest. In this point is called intermaxillary suture, and this is the incisive foramina. These are the alveolar process, alveolar tuberosity, palatine process, posterior palatine groove, frontal process and organazi. अरे कोई डाउट है? हेलो, हाँ या ना कहोगे तो कैसे मैं जानू? अरे am I audible? Oh. Not. Hello? 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 Tell me. Oh. Hello?
हेलो सर, आवाज नहीं आ रही सही से।
तो बोलो ना, बार बार मैं कहे कैसे क्या हो, हाँ या ना तो आंसर दो।
आवाज नहीं आ रही है, सुनाई नहीं पड़ रहा है सर। नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम आ रही है सर, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ पा रही है।
मैं इतना जोर से बोल रहा हूँ।
सर बात जोर की नहीं है सर, आवाज नहीं आ रही ढंग से। यहाँ बहुत दिक्कत
अच्छा,
आ रही
जो है
नेटवर्क
क्या
की।
करेंगे, मैं कुछ कर नहीं सकता उसको।
सर नेक्स्ट क्लास में करा देना सर, अब तो ऑफलाइन ही हो जाएगा।
नहीं, नेक्स्ट क्लास नहीं, इसी क्लास में होगा। मैं स्लाइड शेयर कर दूंगा। सो इन फ्रंट ऑफ द हाइटस इज द नासोलैक्रिमल ग्रूव। नासोलैक्रिमल ग्रूव ये देखो, नासोलैक्रिमल ग्रूव ये देखो, ये नासोलैक्रिमल ग्रूव ये जगह पे देखो। It is converted into nasolacrimal canal by the lacrimal bone and inferior nasal lacrimal groove called conchal crest. Conchal crest you see, oblique ridge, conchal crest. It articulates with the inferior nasal concha. A vertical groove running obliquely in the posterior part of the nasal surface is converted into greater palatine canal by perpendicular plate of the palatine bone. एक vertical groove जाता है पोस्ट नाजल सरफेस का पोस्टीरियर पार्ट, वो कन्वर्ट होता है ग्रेटर पैलाटाइन कैनाल। किसके द्वारा? परपेंडिकुलर प्लेट ऑफ द पैलाटाइन बोन द्वारा। Orbital surface forms the major part floor of the orbital cavity. Orbital surface floor of the orbital cavity बनता है। इसमें क्या रहता है? इंफ्रा ऑर्बिटल ग्रूव, और उसमें क्या पास होती है? इंफ्रा ऑर्बिटल नर्व्स एंड वेसल्स। Infratemporal surface, which is the anterior boundary of the infratemporal fossa, ये जगह। This is the infratemporal surface. You can see it here, infratemporal surface. It forms the anterior boundary of the infratemporal fossa. It separates from the anterior surface by the zygomatic process, bony ridge, jugular crest that ascend to it form the first molar socket. It presents few minute foramina for posterior superior alveolar nerves and vessels. इसमें पास होती है posterior superior alveolar nerves and vessels. Anterior surface forms the part of the norma frontalis. About 1 centimeter below the infraorbital margin, anterior surface presents an infraorbital groove which transmits infraorbital vessels and nerve. Above the alveolar process, anterior surface present from medial to lateral, incisive fossa, canine eminence and canine fossa. तीन चीज रहता है medial to lateral. Incisive fossa, Canine eminence and canine fossa. The eminence is caused by the canine tooth root. Alveolar process. You can see the alveolar processes. Here's the socket for root of the upper teeth. ये रूट ऑफ द अपर टीथ को बियर करता है सॉकेट में से alveolar process. चार पार्ट जाइगोमेटिक फ्रंटल alveolar जाइगोमेटिक alveolar and palatal process. So frontal process project upward, ऊपर जाता है this one. Articulate with the frontal bone. Thick frontal process lies in the line of buttress for dispersion of the force of impact from teeth to the base of the skull. Its lateral surface is divided into anterior and posterior part by a vertical ridge called anterior lacrimal crest. The posterior part is grooved, form a part of the lacrimal fossa. उसका जो posterior part एक groove रहता है lacrimal fossa को जाता है. The medial surface, hello,
Sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes,
The
sir.
medial surface, okay. The medial surface of the frontal process is marked by a horizontal ridge called the ethmoidal crest. You can see the ethmoidal crest here. Ethmoidal crest, you can see it here. Ethmoidal crest. The slope downward, forward and articulates with the middle nasal concha. Ethmoidal crest जाके middle nasal concha में articulate होता है. And area below the ethmoidal crest forms the atrium for the middle meatus. You can see atrium for the middle meatus here. This one. This part is the atrium for the middle meatus. Here it is given atrium for the middle meatus. Zygomatic process extend laterally to articulate with zygomatic bone. Zygomatic process extend laterally, articulate with zygomatic bone. Palatine process extend horizontally towards the medial side and form greater part of the hard palate. You can see the palatine process extend medially. This one. To form hard palate. Alveolar process extend downward and bear the socket for root of teeth. It has 8 socket. Socket for canine tooth is the deepest and socket for molar tooth are the widest. It is arched, being wider behind to form alveolar arch. The posterior part of the outer surface of the alveolar arch opposite molar teeth gives up the buccinator muscle. So these are the alveolar processes. Deepest is the canine socket, widest is the molar sockets. So articulation. 9 bone maxilla articulate, superiorly with 3 bone nasal, frontal, lacrimal, medially 5 bone ethmoid, inferior nasal concha, vomer, palatine and contralateral maxilla. Laterally 1 bone, zygomatic bone. So 5, 3, 8, 9 bone. Clinical anatomy, unilateral fracture involves alveolar process of the maxilla. Bilateral fracture classified into 3 types, Lippert 1, Lippert 2 and Lippert 3. You can see Lippert 1, which is a horizontal fracture, passes the canine fossa and base of the nasal aperture from opposite side bilateral. Then leaf 2, which passes the orbital surface, intraorbital foramen, medial side of the orbital surface, root of the nose, then opposite side same, and end at the zygomatic process. Leaf 3, which starts from the zygomatic process of the frontal bone, then inside the orbit, then root of the nose, then opposite side same. So 3 types of bilateral fracture of the maxilla involved unilateral, bilateral, leaf 1, leaf 2, leaf 3. That's all about maxilla. That's all about maxilla. Now coming थोड़ा फेस का था, मैं आज खत्म कर दूंगा फेस, तो आप लोगों का सब हो जाएगा.
थैंक यू सर.
अरे क्या थैंक यू अभी है, फेस का सब्जेक्ट बाकी था. मैंने जाइगोमेटिक प्रोसेस बॉक्सिनेटर खत्म किया था. नाउ क्लिनिकल कोरिलेशन. नंबर 1, paralysis of the boscinator muscle. If the boscinator muscle is paralyzed, as it occurs in the facial palsy, the food accumulation in the vestibule of the mouth during mastication, and the person cannot blow his cheek. वेस्टिबुल के अंदर फूड जमा होगा और वो ब्लो नहीं कर पाएगा, व्हिसिल नहीं बजा पाएगा. देन मोडियोलस is a dense, compact, mobile fibromuscular node mass situated about 1.25 centimeter lateral to the angle of mouth. Here, it is formed due to interlacing fiber of 5 muscle which converge towards the angle of the mouth. These muscles are called modiolar muscles. Levator anguli oris, zygomaticus major, boscinator, depressor anguli oris, zygomaticus major, depressor anguli oris, and rhizodius. So what are the 5 modular muscles? Levator anguli oris, zygomaticus major, boscinator, depressor anguli oris, and rhizodius. It can be easily palpated by using opposed thumb and index finger to compress the skin and mucosa simultaneously. मैंने easily palpate कर सकते हो 1.25 centimeter lateral to the angle of mouth by opposing the thumb and mucosa. दबाओगे तो आपको पता चलेगा. The pulsation of the facial artery can be felt just lateral to the module. फेशियल आर्टरी का पल्सेशन भी मिलेगा. Inadvertent damage of modiolus during plastic surgery leads to unacceptable facial asymmetry. ये कह रहा है मोडियोलस का अगर इंजरी हो जाता है, डैमेज होता है, तो फेशियल एसिमेट्री हो जाता है. फेस का कोई एक्सप्रेशन नहीं हो पाएगा प्लास्टिक सर्जरी के टाइम. So muscles of the facial muscles and emotional expression. Surprise, horror, fright, transverse wrinkle of the forehead that is produced by frontalis, frowning, vertical wrinkle of the forehead, corrugator supercilii and procerus, anger, dilatation of the nasal aperture, depression of lower mobile part of the nasal septum, dilator naris, depressor septi, laughing, angle of the mouth drawn upward and laterally, zygomaticus major, sadness, sorrow, grieving, accumulation of the nasolabial fold, elevation and eversion of the upper lip, angle of the mouth drawn downward and laterally, levator labii superioris, levator anguli oris, zygomaticus minor, and depressor anguli oris. Grinning, retraction of angle of mouth laterally, it is done by Rhizorius. Disdain, doubt, it is produced by puckering of the chin, protrusion of the lower lip, that is produced by mentalis. Worry, skin fold radiating laterally from lateral angle of the eye, orbicularis oculi. Irony, angle of the mouth drawn downward somewhat laterally, depressor labii inferioris. These are the emotional expression. Now, how do you do the clinical testing of the muscle of the facial expression? Frontalis, by asking the patient to look upward without moving his head and then look for horizontal wrinkling of the forehead. अर्थात पेशेंट को अगर कहेगा तो वो क्या करेगा, ऊपर देखेगा, खुद का सर को देखने की कोशिश करेगा और खुद का सर में जो हॉरिजॉन्टल रिंकल है उसको देखने की कोशिश करेगा. कोरुगेटेड सुपरसिलाई, it is asking by patient to frown, then look for vertical wrinkle between the two eyebrow. दोनों आईब्रो के बीच देखने की कोशिश करेगा वर्टिकल wrinkle को. Orbicularis oculi, ask the patient to close the eye tightly, आँख tightly बंद करो. Orbicularis oris, ask the patient to whistle मारने के लिए बोलो. Dilator of mouth, by asking the patient to show his teeth. दांत दिखाने के लिए आप लोग कहोगे पेशेंट को डायलेटर ऑफ द माउथ के लिए. व्हाट आर द डायलेटर ऑफ द माउथ? हेलो, क्या क्या मसल डायलेटर ऑफ द माउथ है? हेलो, 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 हेलो,
जाइगोमेटिकस मेजर.
हाँ, और लिवेटर एंगुली ओरिस, डिप्रेसर एंगुली ओरिस, और क्या? डिप्रेसर सेप्टाई एंड ऑर्बिकुलरिस ओरिस, ये 5 मसल होती है. बॉक्सिनेटर बाय आस्किंग द पेशेंट टू पॉप हिज माउथ, मुंह को फुलाओ एंड ब्लो आउट द एयर फोर्सफुली, मुंह से हवा निकालो. सो द मसल्स ऑफ द फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन is the muscles of the second branchial arch. Nerve of the second arch is the facial nerve inserted into the skin of face, buccal pad of fat. No deep fascia in the face except around parotid duct. So this muscle orbicularis oculi closes the eye tightly, buries the eyelashes. You can see orbicularis oculi. Finer palpebral portion in the eyelid. This is the finer palpebral portion. Anterior to tarsal plate. These are the tarsal plates. Closes eye in blinking and sleep. No action on conjunctival sac. Occipitofrontalis orbicularis, muscles of the facial expression. Occipitofrontalis, orbicularis oculi, orbicularis oris, buccinator, platysma, skin of the face and incisors. These are again showing the muscles of the facial expression. Orbicularis oris, levator anguli oris, depressor anguli oris, they interlace each other. Depressor labii inferioris, levator labii superioris, depressor labii inferioris, levator anguli oris, depressor anguli oris.
इसी गर्मी में हम आते हैं।
Buccinator, seventh cranial nerve supply this month.
तो कैसे सिद्धू भाई, कैसे हम लोग तो सुबह
तो
आए थे।
धीरे धीरे आदत होगा भाई, तो गर्मी पड़े थे झाटने।
एक दिन रात में सोलो ना गर्मी में।
The molar tooth, pterygomandibular raphe and pterygomaxillary raphe. Action, this is the raphe you can see. This is the raphe.
सर हवा लग
हम लोग को तो पसंद नहीं आता है।
बड़े लोग यार
Action,
3 लाख
keeps food out of the vestibule, sucking, blowing trumpet. Now, motor nerve to posterior auricular to occipital belly, posterior belly of digastric. It enter parotid and divides into 5 branches: temporal, zygomatic,
निकलिए कि आप
buccal,
तक
buccal, mandibular and cervical. बोलो क्या क्या ब्रांच है फेशियल नर्व का? टेम्पोरल, जाइगोमैटिक, बक्कल, marginal mandibular and cervical. You can see. So these are called goose foot. If there is a stroke, you can see.
बोलो सर अब
If the upper motor neuron is involved, the forehead is paired.